how to use the PlayStation Accessories app on PC. Once you open up the PlayStation Accessories app, it is going to look like this. This is essentially an app that lets you connect any PlayStation, controllers, accessories to your PC via Bluetooth or USB. Now here, once you open it up for the first time, you will see connect your controller to your PC using Bluetooth or a USB cable. Now if you need any further information, you will click on how to connect, and here it's just going to show you that you can use either a wired connection or Bluetooth. Now here, if the USB cable is connected, you can disconnect it and make sure that the indicator of the controller is off. So basically you will need to put your PlayStation controller in pairing mode, and you can do that by pressing onto your the share button here and the PlayStation button and holding onto it so it enters pairing mode. Now once it enters pairing mode, we will click on open Bluetooth settings, and this is going to detect your Bluetooth devices here directly on your PC. So we can click on add device and then Bluetooth here, and I don't have a Bluetooth, but it's just going to detect DualSense wireless controller, and you will select it from here. Once you select it from here, then it's going to detect it in the PlayStation Accessories app, and that way you can use your PlayStation controller on your PC, and you can also connect it via Bluetooth. So all you need to do is just plug in the two USB ports, one into the controller, one into your PC, and you will have successfully connected your controller. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.